Look what I just found out today. So I was having my weekend grocery earlier when I just found out that I'm hungry. Buti nila may Greenwich dito sa Vista Mall Taguig. Nag-crave tuloy ako dito sa kanilang pizza rice bakes. At may 3 flavors pala ito. Ito nga yung chorizo pepperoni, ham and bacon, and roast beef. So syempre tikman muna natin yung kanilang chorizo pepperoni. Sa cheese at toppings pa lang matatakam ka na talaga. And no doubt na paborito to ng marami. Tapos tinry ko din tong ham and bacon. At cheesy pa rin at perfect talaga sa rice. For me, this is a perfect breakfast meal. At syempre, di ko pinalampas tong kanilang roast beef. Na talaga naman na curious ako sa lasa. Imagine you're having roast beef on rice, tapos may mozzarella cheese pa sa ibabaw. And did I mention na 79 pesos lang to? 89 pesos pag may drink. So yan no, your all-time favorite pizza flavors reimagined in the new affordable and delicious Greenwich Pizza Rice Bakes.